some breaking inputs coming in now. Bharatiya Janata Party has hit out at Congress's Jairam Ramesh, and the landslide risks are something that the BJP is talking about, questioning Jairam Ramesh, since remember he was the environment minister under the UPA government. Amit is joining us with more details on that post. Yes.
Right, Swati, as far as the government has been claiming that several warnings that were issued, and when it comes to the opposition refuting that, Jairam Ramesh himself that has been raising several questions over this, then there is the response coming in from the former Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar, where he goes on to say, and I quote, that Jairam Ramesh was the Environment and Forest Minister in the Congress UPA Indi government when expert committees pointed out on the growing risk in Wayanad, in Kerala and in the Western Ghats. Questions must be asked of his response and conduct as to why nothing was done to protect the people and prevent this tragedy that has cost over 200 innocent lives, families and livelihoods upended. Now, propaganda job notwithstanding, it is time to hold these people who had the authority and responsibility accountable, and saying that this is the truth about corrupt Congress. As far as there were many warnings and red flags already issued, had this tragedy had occurred, many lives could have been saved if there were timely action taken.
All right, timely action is something that everybody is highlighting. The BJP says that we gave a warning in advance, so timely action should have been taken. Pinarayi Vijayan says timely alert did not come, and whatever information or alerts came, they were either late or insufficient. Amidst all this, Jairam Ramesh is also being asked a couple of tough questions by the BJP. It's a political war of words now. Niyamika is getting us more details. Niyamika, now BJP hitting out at Jairam Ramesh. Niyamika? Can you hear me? Okay, all right. We'll try and connect with Niyamika and get you more details. For the moment, we'll take a short break.